Okay, these are the chicken people, basically just regular chickens. Okay, they're wandering into the coop. They get lots of exercise, basically just eating, which is very weird. There's where you call home, chickens. Okay. Oh, there's Sheila. Oh, that's definitely Fluffy and Silky and Irene is over there. This is where home is. The chickens. So I showed you that. Okay, and these are all our chickens. We will go for an interview down to the chicks. If you've already seen our other video called Fluffy Teaches How to Scratch, it's the same Fluffy. Well, maybe not. Yeah, quiet. Okay, that's the chicks and Fluffy. There, that's what they call home for right now. Cute little chickies. Adorable little chickies. Good. I don't know what it's like being a chicken. Interview with chicken. Okay, here's the chicken we will be interviewing with. Hello, chicken. What would you say? Oh, yes, of course. This is a camera. Or flip video. Video thing. Okay, now. What would you say? Okay. Yep, you can interview. You said, she said that it's boring being a chicken. And over there, there's the other guys. Guy just went in. Okay, quick interview with and what chickens do with cameras. No. No, chicken! Don't pack this thing. Quick interview with chicken. What would you say? Okay, yeah, this is a camera. Yeah, and it's not something to eat. Oh, yes, of course. You said that being a chicken is kind of weird. And, you don't let us out in the yard much. When will you do that? Of course I'll do that sometime. Okay. Oh, yes. Close the gate. Mind me. Thanks. Well, thanks, quiet. Now, that is the life of a chicken.